Hi, this is me. I'm Shritanshi, and well, this is Ojas. We've known each other since the 7th grade, so best believe we've survived every awkward phase together. Fast forward to now, Ojas is living the IIT Bombay grind, and me, I'm chasing deadlines and dreams 7,000 miles away in Australia. So we thought it would be fun to show you just how different and maybe similar student life can be, depending on where you are. This is a day in our lives, India versus Australia. Two best friends, two POVs, and a whole lot of chaos. Let's go.
पढ़ाई कर ली अच्छा
तो चल रहा है सब कुछ
नहीं
आपको लैब करा विद माय फ्रेंड हु इज अ YouTube creator.
he lives in Australia.
Okay.
And basically like it's like they in college in India and they in college in Australia.
It's 4:30 AM as of now.
4:30 AM I have a quiz. We have a quiz in
We have a
fact
quiz.
at 9:30.
I don't-
तेरा quiz नहीं है ना बस
हाँ,
yes ये पढ़ाकू है बस ठीक है चलो good night yes bye bye कुछ पढ़ा भी नहीं ढंग से पढ़ूंगा मैं bye bye. So guys we have come to hostel 9 finally. So we were studying in the reading hall and अभी it's like 4:30 अभी मैं सोने आया हूँ. I'll have to clear some doubts with one of my neighbors and like वो सब हो जाए तो I'll go to sleep. So I'll wake up at 9:15 फटाफट I'll brush and like just rush for the EV and get going. ठीक है ना तो एक बार दिखाते हैं विंग में क्या हाल है. we'll just see. बाकी कल tomorrow is a bit hectic day because पहले I have a quiz as I said and classes है. So after lunch I have to take a mock interview of a junior. I have to meet a senior for a team project. Basically a lot of work. हाँ so tomorrow is a hectic day basically. So yeah my roommate is not asleep watching reels. And I'll just probably go to sleep. This is the small crammed up rooms of IIT Bombay, right guys? This is hostel 9. This is I would say basically one of the okay-ish hostels. And like भाई इतने छोटे रूम में रहना पड़ता है and like very tough. We'll just see what my friend Shubham is up to. Shubham किधर है? भाई कितना हो गया पढ़ के? हाँ शुभम तो पढ़ नहीं रहा है तो I guess खुद से डाउट सॉल्व करनी पड़ेगी.
Yes, we go. Bye bye.
Ah shit. Shit, yes, we go now. We go to my room and study. Bye bye.
Good morning you guys, and it is currently 8:15 AM. Just did my laundry, made my bed. I do need to clean my room because it's really dirty and usually I do have early classes. Ojas literally texted me like 45 minutes ago saying that he's going to sleep. There's a 4.5 hour time difference between India and Australia right now, so I think he went to sleep around 4 AM. Yes, that's how different our lives are and that's how different our schedules are. Today is mostly gonna be a study day, but I'm gonna take you guys along and show you guys every aspect of my student life as usual. So yeah, let's get going. My pasta is currently boiling, so I thought might as well get ready. Now this is when I actually miss India a lot, which may make me sound really selfish, but I miss not making my own meals. Don't get me wrong, some days I really enjoy like getting that break in cooking for myself, but at the same time I don't want to do it every day, you know. Usually these are my mornings. I cook and I pack a tiffin if I have like a really long day at uni, which today is gonna be. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So now I'm gonna get ready and I will see you guys later.
हमारा आज का सिलेबस अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं. We have a quiz at 9:30. I'm just gonna pack up. So we were in my hostel study room and H9 as you can see. So now we're going to have breakfast and then I'll go to one of my other friends who will teach me some of my stuff. We are very cooked because we haven't done any syllabus. Today you're getting featured on YouTube, bhai. Be happy. So I only got an hour of sleep and abhi I'm done with breakfast. I'm going to my friend's room who's going to teach me thoda sa abhi last moment thoda questions समझा देगा ताकि I can get some marks into this quiz. Actually I had another assignment before this which was very important. उसके चक्कर में quiz थोड़ा सा sacrifice हो रहा है but ठीक है यार. Today is going to be a hectic day with sleep deprivation. I got ready वापस से. I'll directly leave for lectures and quizzes from his hostel. The best thing about IIT Bombay campus is that it's like amidst a jungle, so like basically everything is so peaceful in the morning. So basically yeah, this is a shortcut into the hostel, so we'll go from here. I don't know how this clip will come. Shutanshi, you better edit it. Morning breakfast. So guys, yes, हमने पढ़ तो लिया है. Doubts बता दिए इसने थोड़े. Now we are just waiting. I know this is hostel 5. अच्छा बढ़िया पंखा लगा रखा है भाई. ले लेते. कितने का आता है?
Here is a quick outfit check. It's very basic. Wearing a black top and these, I don't know if you can even see it, but I'm wearing these wide-legged blue jeans. That is the sound of my samples getting centrifuged right now. It's gonna get hectic, so I will see you guys after I'm done with the lab work because there's a lot to do and not much time left. Let's go.
तो गाइस क्विज तो खत्म हो गया. मैं थोड़ा जल्दी निकल गया क्विज से बिकॉज मेरा पहले हो गया था. somehow बन गया भाई. आई डोंट नो हाउ. शाउट आउट टू पाठक फॉर टीचिंग मी लास्ट मोमेंट स्टफ. अभी आई डू हैव 2 lectures but guess who is missing them. मेरे को मतलब मेरा पूरा दिन बहुत हेक्टिक है. टू लाइक टेक सम स्लीप तभी आई विल बी एबल टू फंक्शन. तो या गाइस हॉस्टल में वापस आ गए हैं. And as I said, I was sleep deprived, तो अभी मैं सोने जाऊँगा. I'll take a 2-3 hour nap, then I'll wake up, have lunch. Then मेरा एक क्रिप सेशन है for my lab in SEM. तो जाके मार्क्स बढ़ा होगा. उसके बाद I have a project meeting. तो yes, I'll keep you guys updated.
Yes, I am in the washroom and now I'm going to take a lunch break and study a bit more, so it's pretty much going to be the same thing, but I will catch up with you guys when I'm doing something else. I got really bored of sitting inside, so I'm just gonna do a bit of work outside actually because the weather is good for once. I've got my calendar. I'm gonna start work. These are the vibes. I'm sitting near this huge ass tree. So sunny today. You guys, so I am walking home right now. I do have a club event, but for that I will catch up with you guys once I'm home. It is currently 5 p.m. I have about 1 hour to get ready and head out. So I'm a team member for the fashion club. I've mentioned that in my videos before, and we usually have like these social nights. Like club members usually come and they just socialize. There's free food. Who doesn't want free food, right? My social battery is really low. A lot of studying because these past few weeks have just been mid-trimester tests and quizzes, and I will see you guys when I'm leaving because this week's social night theme is monochrome outfits. I still don't know what I'm gonna wear, so once I figure that out I will head out, and yep, hopefully it's fun.
Yeah, we're meeting here and we'll just sit here, eat and do the work. It's abhi 4 o'clock and I met Isha, the senior I was talking about, and we are going to work on the entrepreneurship project we're doing. Now we'll just work for like an hour, and uske baad I'll do the separation wala project and then we'll see. Okay, so let's start working.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so we're done with our meet, and I have another clip session for my quiz, so we're going there. It's like 5 o'clock now, and then 5:30 I have another meet, and then I have a squash match at 6:30. So yeah, that's the schedule for now.
A quick little outfit check. I'm wearing this blue top with a pair of dark blue jeans because the theme is monochrome, and I switched like 5 outfits, and initially I wasn't gonna wear this, but right now we're gonna stick with this because I have no other option left.
So I had my squash match right now, and I sadly lost it, but after I played some table tennis with my friends, and then hopefully tomorrow's match I'll win. It's the squash league going right now. I'm participating in that. Abhi I'll go take a quick shower and probably eat.
Done with the event. It was actually so fun. The lighting probably sucks here, but now I'm headed home. My brother was luckily outside, so he's come to pick me and I don't have to take the tram home. So lucky. This is the outfit for the night. Yes, I need to wear the hood to feel a little cozy. So it's currently 11 p.m. This is what I've been doing, and this is what usually my nights look like until and unless I'm not like grinding on an assignment. They're pretty even, and I usually go to sleep around 11:30, 12. I am a huge morning person, so I like getting ahead of my day instead of staying up the night. I am watching Modern Family, peak comfort show. Obviously I am done with the day. I'm exhausted and I am gonna spend some time by myself and watch something and then go to sleep.
अभी हम लोग का पढ़ाई करके हो गया है, मैं नंदिनी से भी मिल लिया।
इसका पढ़ाई करके नहीं हुआ,
तो हमारा जो
एक्सप्लेन कर दे रहा है,
इसका पढ़ाई करके हो गया है। एंड अभी हमारे एक दोस्त का बर्थडे मृदुल का, जिसको कल रात फीचर किया था। वी विल व्लॉग दैट आल्सो। We are back in our room, guys, and that is the end of the vlog.
Bye.